How to check recipient account number in Remitly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how I can check recipient's account number in Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to check your recipient's account number in Remitly, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap on the recipients tab that you can find here, and then you'll be able to see all the recipients you've added. Now you can keep in mind that the recipients that you've added are the people that you've added using your own details, right? So if I tap on this option over here with this recipient, you can see currently I cannot see any details, but to see this person's details I can tap the edit option from the top right, where I'll be able to see all the information and the recipient number as well, which is optional by the way. You'll be able to see the email address and so on, and this way you'll be able to see your recipient's account number in Remitly. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.